How much money do I need to invest to retire early? I am a student and I only have 25 euros. Is it enough? I have no experience in investing in the stock market. How much money should I invest in stocks? This is the most common question that people ask me. So in this video, I am going to discuss exactly how much money you need to save and how much you need to invest in the stock market. Before I talk numbers, we need to discuss the motivation behind investing. Why do you want to invest in stocks? The answer could be to save your money from inflation, save money for your retirement. You might have a midterm goal, or you just want your money to make more money for you. But most people often hate their 9 to 5 job and want to make enough money to be able to quit their job and do something that they love, which might not be financially rewarding as compared to their current job, or at least not in the short term. Then we need to talk about how much money do you make and how much out of that do you spend. As a student, you might be making ends meet, or you might have just gotten a new job and have started earning quite a little bit, or you might be someone with a family and saving is a little bit tough. Saving money is hard, but I know so many people who buy the latest iPhone as soon as it launches, the latest tech, designer clothes, anything and everything that's shiny. They buy this stuff with the money that they don't even have. And you might be even one of those people. To that you might answer, what's the point? If I'm earning this money, why not spend it and have some fun? Sure, there's no problem in that. But how will you be able to sustain your lifestyle if you spend the money that you don't have? And if something bad happens and you lose your job, what if you don't have anything saved? What happens then? So exactly how much money should you invest? For the sake of simplicity, let's take the average take-home pay after taxes of 2,500 euros. If you are able to save 5% out of this 2,500 euros, which comes out to be 125 euros. If you invest this whole amount and get an average rate of return of 5% per year, in 40 years, you will have 181,000 euros. And assuming if you are 25 years old now, in 40 years, you will be retiring with 181,000 euros, which might not be enough at that point. Let's increase the saving amount to 25% per month. So you spend 1,875 euros and save 625 euros every single month. Again, if you invest it and get a return of approximately 5% every single year, in 33 years, you will have enough money to retire and be able to spend 1,875 euros every month. Now let's take the savings rate even higher to 50%. Now you're saving 1,250 euros every single month out of your 2,500 euros salary and are investing it. In 17 years, you will have approximately 400,000 euros and would be able to retire at the age of 42 if you start at 25 years old. If you're liking my content, just gently tap the like button. That's all I ask. Okay, let's take things to a whole new level. If you are able to somehow save 65% of your salary, spending just 875 euros per month, saving and investing a whopping 1,675 euros every single month. In just 10 years, you will be able to retire if you keep your spending at the same rate. So if you think about it, if you started at 25, you will be able to retire at the age of 35. Now, retirement doesn't mean that you do not do anything. It actually means that you are able to do whatever you want to do. The goal here is to expedite the process of financial independence. So the more spending you reduce, the more you can invest. Spending money on things that you love can make you happy. But if you are one of those millions of people who actually despise their jobs, having enough money to be able to do whatever you love would definitely make you happier compared to those small doses of happiness. But before you go on and invest every single thing that you have, it is always recommended to have an emergency fund. Start with 1 month of your salary and do not touch it. An emergency fund means it is for emergencies. So needing a new phone is not an emergency, nor is buying a new car. Try to increase your emergency fund to 3 to 6 months of your salary. Reduce your spending to increase the amount that you can save. Save 50% of your salary, and if you are able to save more than 65%, you can retire within the next 10 years. Don't forget to set up your emergency fund before diving into investing. Click here if you want to get started with investing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.